Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. When actual inflation exceeds expected inflation, Noralandia is in an inflationary gap. In Part A, the Phillips curve graph shows point X on the SRPC to the left of the vertical LRPC, where unemployment is below the natural rate. In Part B, under an ample reserves regime, the central bank implements contractionary monetary policy by increasing administered rates, such as the interest on reserve balances, IORB, to reduce inflation. In Part C, this increase in interest rates makes Noralandia's financial assets more attractive to foreign investors seeking higher returns, leading to an increase in the inflow of international financial capital. In Part D, the increased demand for Noralandia's financial assets leads to an increased demand for its currency in the foreign exchange market. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.